possibly like a dolphin.
Oh, jeez, dude. Oh my God, huh? Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, it is. I'm tightening down the drag, and this is a monster. All right, everybody. This is day 2 of the giant catfish excursion. We're not even gonna set up on fish that I think is under 50 pounds. So we're gonna try to locate fish that are above 50 pounds from my experience with my fish finder. So we are gonna see how this goes. I've got several spots in mind that I've caught big fish in the past. There's a couple of them, even if we don't mark really good fish, we're gonna set up on it and give it at least a little bit of time. But it's gonna be a catfish excursion. There's no doubt about that. What do you think, Sean?
I'm interested to see some new spots around the corner, Missouri River, that kind of stuff.
We're gonna go up the Missouri. We're gonna fish another spot that I call the Lewis and Clark that I haven't been able to fish, and it's been a long time since I actually fished it. But I wasn't exactly prepared when I tried to fish it. Deep, swift, rocks on the bottom. I was ill prepared. I only had 20-pound test and 3-ounce egg sinkers. So we're gonna see. We got some 10s and 12s and 8-ounce sinkers and some good bait left over from yesterday. We knocked the crap out of the big blue cats yesterday.
That's what I heard, man. They've been really good. A guy who owns the Beasley Fish Market up there, so if you look, well, if you can see through the wall right now, about where you're at.
Yep.
Straight across out in the middle,
yep.
And then back towards the dam about 100 feet to 200 feet.
Okay.
That's where he was dropping his fish net.
Oh, okay.
So, I don't know, must be a lot of catfish there or something.
Yeah. Was you catching monster catfish or just lots of catfish?
He just catches a lot of them. I usually don't see the size. He's got the covers on him when he comes through. But
gotcha.
Jim usually, he says he's been doing really good up above.
Yeah.
He hasn't even been coming down here lately.
Okay. Well, good, because we're after the big ones and we actually catch and release those.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, we're kind of big fans of trophy catfishing, and I was here 3 weeks ago and we caught a 130-pounder.
Damn. That's a nice one.
5 foot long, 41 inches around, and it was a monstrosity. Yeah.
I would tell you a secret, but it wouldn't matter anyway because you guys can't get up to it. But if you look back and to your left, you'll see like that. There's a up towards the lift gates is what I was just talking about. There's a kind of a tall silver U-shaped pipe sticking up there with the lights on it.
Okay.
There's an L shape on the inside of that wall, and we used to fish here all the time at night. And we used to drop a line about big around your pinky over the side.
Oh yeah.
Crack that concrete.
Yeah.
No, we'd catch catfish so big we had to pull them up with the Cushman cart.
Really?
So.
And give me an estimate on how big that is. You're actually starring in a YouTube video right now.
No, there's I would say the average catfish in between the locks up here close is probably 80 to 100 pounds.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, so you're talking about downstream on another one of these locks or the center part. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, so if you're that concrete wall to your back behind you and to your left.
Okay.
If you went right over that concrete wall.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, where the baffles are.
In between the locks, but you come all the way up here, and we only have 2 dam gates here. And it used to be, when I first started working here, I was working the wall like he is.
Yeah.
The L shape there, the water comes out and it's swirled.
Yeah.
At that L shape, and then bait fish get stuck there, and those catfish just sit on the concrete down below. You used to have no fins on the bottom when they come up.
Oh, wow.
Because they sat on the concrete so much.
Yeah.
And they come up and suck the water. It's like there's so many up there. It's kind of like that game where you see kids at the magnet fishing pole that try to catch a little fish.
Yeah.
That's what it looked like looking at the top of the water.
This has not been a good day bite, but we managed to hook up. We've been looking at a lot of stuff. Oh, nice little fish. That's not one of them fun sizes.
healthy bone size. Crazy, rolling. Calm down there, Skip. Pretty little blue. There you go. What kind of move is that?
I don't know.
Porpoise move.
Oh, porpoise.
See them porpoise and look at them.
That's a Saturday Night Fever right there.
Oh, that's a pretty one. That's a good fish. That's a pretty good fish. I like that. That's a good one.
Old floppy.
Come here,
Now,
you.
for those of you at home that think you don't need a glove for blues, we are not slouches.
You got
But the aftermath of not using gloves on a weekend catching blues is puffy, freaking infected hands that you don't want to even touch people. You don't even want to shake anybody's hand after that. So, yeah, we'll use the glove.
That's a pretty little fish.
Yep. Nice.
Good stuff. You've been eating good.
All right. Uno. And we've got about 2 hours before the bite actually even starts. Because this has been kind of a piss poor day bite. We got good baits, we locate the fish, we anchor up above them, and we throw it in their face. And they may tap it a little bit. They may tappy, and then just leave it. That one actually took it pretty decent. So we're gonna keep going, and then we're gonna go to the 80-pound spot tonight, and we are going to sit there until we catch some giant fish. So tell me, what do you got? This is crazy.
What was that? 5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes in the big spot, and this current is cooking.
What to do now?
What are you gonna do now? You're gonna hold on to him and hope he swims towards you. Just take what he gives you.
No.
Yep, this is the long haul shit. Long haul shit.
Get that fucking camera!
Yep.
It feels like possibly like a dolphin of some sort.
Like a dolphin, manatee.
Maybe. I feel more comfortable. I get some line in.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
Lord.
big, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, geez. This is some fast-ass current, too. Look at this current, people. This stuff is freaking flying. That's one thing about blues. They are not scared of current. Remember, just give him just take what he gives you.
That's what I did there. He's
Good. If he starts swimming real hard left, tell me, because I'll get those
keep an eye
other
on that
rods in
line.
it. Yep. Yeah, you're gonna have to trick this dude. Huge.
He's coming this way. But I'm not gonna overextend myself and try to.
All right, so I'm gonna start preparing the boat right here.
I don't know. He felt like 100 out there, but well, he's still there.
Dude,
Oh,
that's big.
Lord
That's a
have
big fish.
mercy.
Look at this. Look at this.
You got lights enough?
Oh, geez. Now we're getting freaking pounded over here.
Do you have
I
lights
should've-
enough to see with that camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing's awesome. Look.
I just didn't know if you had enough.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful, actually.
Yeah, I don't. Rubber guard him. I could get my arm burned.
Dude, the fight hasn't even started
I
yet.
know.
You wait.
I'm just glad there's more line on that bait.
We're about 3 minutes in. Yep. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get this out of here, get you prepped for going
You
up.
want to bring the other poles in just in case we get loaded up again?
Well, I think we'll be all right.
Don't want-
I checked the drags and they're pretty good. Okay, now it's time to trick him. So just be real easy. Yep.
We were sitting in our gravy hole just
Yeah, we were.
about 15 minutes ago, and he said, "You know what? We're going to the hundy hole." I'm like, "What'd you say?" "Yeah, the hundy hole." So we're, I mean,
Not to say that this is a 100-pound
No,
fish,
no.
but this current is going to make a 50 feel like 100.
yeah, it could be 50, but what
Oh,
I
it
felt
could be.
that the head shake and the power on that, jumping
Yeah.
on that head shake,
I like the way the bite was.
he's going that way.
Oh, yeah, he is.
I mean, he could be a 50.
Yep. Try not to pull him up.
Want to keep him low
Yes.
before I go on the deck.
Yep. Oh boy, that was a hit and a half.
Oh, dude, he's gonna rip your fucking rod holder.
Oh boy, look at that. He's just peeling line out. Oh, jeez, dude. Oh my God, huh? Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, it is. I'm tightening down the drag pretty damn hard, and this is a monster. This is power line. Yeah, I know, that pole needs to be reeled in. Oh, buddy. Okay, I am leading him a little bit. Oh boy. Oh. You know what I'm gonna try to do? I'm gonna try to let him settle down in that hole, and I'm gonna try to reel this in because I don't know what else to do. Better go to the front.
Going under the boat.
Yep. Keep him off the off the line. And I gotta get this
Move that cooler.
where's that light at? There it is. Yeah, I gotta move the cooler. Oh,
How much line you got left?
I got a lot of line. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Hope he just settles down.
You want to slide that cooler over?
Yep.
I see him over there. He's not that big.
He's not? What is it? That much current, eh?
Yeah. I want to get this one in so you can fight dirt.
Out, out, out. Oh my God. He's twirling. We big.
Let me get him one more. You got him?
Yeah. His 50-pounder. And I was moving the rods. This thing went off and peeled off about 50 yards of drag. I mean, this thing has went right and it's went left.
Is fish gonna be all right up here, or should I just pitch him?
He's gonna be all right.
Okay.
70-degree water. I've been trying to trick this fish forward. I've got a lot of pressure on him. And he's went all the way left, all the way right. And I'm trying to get him to swim up so that Sean has a shot. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He needs to go down. Oh, he's peeling. I might have to force him in here. Oh. Oh. Yep. I think he just hit the top of the water. He's not a 100-pounder, that's for sure. But he...
This one felt like it.
Huh?
This one felt like it.
Oh, God, yeah. Oh! He's at the top. That's bad news. Yeah. All right, you're going to want to get ready to net here in a minute. Oh! Oh.
He's already on?
Oh. I'm ready to do one rod at a time in here.
That side light's on yet.
Oh. All right. All right, I'm gonna have to go to the front deck. Oh.
Yep.
He's only at 50 as well.
Yep. We got a nice little double picture here. All right.
All right. Yep. Oh. Oh my God! I don't know what to do with 100 up here.
We're done. We can't do that.
I don't know. My. What's this? Oh, it's from that. Yeah. Ready? Hold on. Gonna chop underneath him and get his head. Oh yeah. Woo! Dude, that thing's not even as big as yours.
You got him in the same thing. You hooked it through the island.
Really? Big
Flying
10
a
ounce?
couple of them.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. 100 pounders. I don't know if that's gonna work up here.
Oh,
This
it's take
water-
a while.
Yeah, you're right. Holy moly. Woo! Got one. This one will work.
Mark my tone up though.
Yeah, me too. Dude, this thing isn't even 50. But
We'll get a double picture here.
oh, he still has bite pressure. Jeez. Oh! Dude, that thing isn't even 40. What a freak show situation this is. Oh! Tight. No, he's not. Oh, yeah. Ready?
Yep, and we're gonna
Hold him up to the camera and we'll take screenshots on that. No! Pretty much the first 30 minutes, and it was a lot just to get him into the boat because this current is really raging. We're gonna get these things released. That one's been in the boat a little bit too long for our comfort zone. So, okay.
Don't let him go yet.
Okay. What do you want to do?
I was gonna do never mind.
What do you want to do?
I was gonna hold both of them and take a picture with my camera.
It's fine. Come here, come on. Yeah. Yeah. You got your camera? For you. All right, look at these two sows. In the first first 15 minutes we were at the hundy hole. All right, Sean, let's see you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna look at the speed of this current, people. This reminds me of the...
John, we're gonna have to retire this rod.
Yeah. Yeah, he's ready. Submarine back down to the depths. Now this... Ooh! Roller. Ow! Oh. What you got to say there, Mr. Liggett?
You know, I wasn't feeling so good over there, kind of tired.
Catfish adventures.
Hit that catfish. Monsters, buddy.
Monsters. So we were trying to find a soda in the cooler, and one of the 2 rods we've got in goes off. Is he going right? I'm gonna get this other rod in. Isn't he? That'd be weird in this spot.
I know.
Would be nice. Is that just peel and drag?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
All right, dude, you're 3 minutes into it. You want to land him on the right?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna get the net.
They just love going to the boat, don't they?
They do. All they do is cock their tail a little bit and they just go left or right. Yeah, he's on the bottom of the boat. Ah.
Get out of here. There you go. If you're a catfish, man, do you really catfish? Do you even catfish?
Yeah. Yeah, this
I
is
thought I was catfishing.
this is pretty extreme.
I thought I was catfishing. Watch it be a 20. So
Oh, geez.
some fun size. That's a good
I don't think so.
It feels like a good fish.
Folks, in this video, I don't think you can tell the ferocity of this current. This current is, I mean, blowing through here. We're about to see him.
Yep, same fish.
Is it really?
About.
Oh yeah, it's big. It's nice. Oh yeah, that's a good one. All right, I gotta net this thing. Yep.
Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. That's the good stuff. Ooh yeah.
This fish has been caught and released before. See the
Wraps.
See the wraps?
Those are old wraps.
Yep, they are. Probably, you know, and folks, that's a testament to catch and release, because you can see right here where the line hit him and scraped
They're
his.
not usually brown like that.
Yep. Couple
Could weigh
gloves.
that one, but
Yep.
I think that one's a legit 50,
Yeah, I think so too.
if not a little over.
Oh, I just got my ass completely slimed. Yeah, you can be right up there actually, since I got this light.
Yeah. Oh, you're sharp and bitey. Oh, wow. You might as well not even have anything like
These
that.
river fish are angry fish. They're all tough. Oh yeah.
It's a good fight.
Beauty.
It's going free.
Oh yeah. What do you got? Probably 46, 47 inches long.
Yeah, he's probably legit 50. A tail full of leeches?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Looks like it. Well, no, I think it's
Yeah.
just bark stuff.
No.
Oh,
Down on
there.
Down on
Yeah.
the- yeah.
A lot of leeches this time of year, looks like.
Oh!
Oh.
Good.
Oh yeah, he's good.
He rolled and went.
Yeah, he did.
Woo! Yeah. That'll ruin a guy. Fishing like this. Oh man. Catching fish anywhere else might be a little boring after that.